Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to uninstall a particular program that has been installed in your Ubuntu OS. So in my case I am going to uninstall Visual Studio Code. So as you can see here, I am having Visual Studio Code already installed. So the easiest way is going to be, you'll be having this A icon which is called as Ubuntu software. Just open it and you'll be having this explore, installed and updates. Just select installed and this will basically display all the softwares that you have installed on your system. Just go to your desired software and here you'll be having this uninstall option. Just select it and click on uninstall and you need to enter the password. So as you can see here, it's not here. Now if I close it and again go to the applications and search for Visual Studio Code, as you can see it is not over here. So this is basically how you uninstall your apps or programs in Ubuntu. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.